In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert two-dimensional to three-dimensional objects in AutoCAD. As you can see on my AutoCAD screen, we have already an existing two rectangular objects here. And for us to convert this, first of all, we're going to click here on the WCS, which is our viewpoint in three-dimensional. Click the bottom on the left corner, and we're just going to zoom on that and type on the command the word extrude. And after typing the word extrude, just simply click enter and select the object. And then after selecting the object, just simply hit enter button. And then after that, there you are. You can now convert it the two-dimensional to three-dimensional. So we're just going to do the exact thing on the other one. Hit enter and set it on the extrude. And that's about it. That's how to convert two-dimensional to three-dimensional objects in AutoCAD. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I will do my best to help you out.